Hi everyone, this is Sheshe coming on to make a video to give you some ideas on what to do with your scraps. So I've been playing with this set and it has this die, a heart, and this little tiny banner die. And when I say I've been using it a lot, I've been using it a lot. So I'm going to show you what I've been doing. I have this set right here, and it has all these little tiny sentiments. Gorgeous, fabulous, amazing, beautiful, the best, fantastic, strong, loved, sweet, you know, those kind of sentiments. So I have been cutting out lots and lots of these fishtail banners. So I've stamped out a bunch, and when I say I've stamped out a bunch and cut out a bunch, I've cut out a bunch. So what I suggest, when you have like little pieces like this, save those and use the little banners to cut out the little fishtails. You can use your scraps to get the most out of them. And I'll show you how easy that is. Now, I did not cut them out one at a time. I did double and triple layer them. And I'll show you how easy it is to cut through 2 layers. This is a 110-pound weight of cardstock, and I was able to get a lot of these cut out at once. So I'll show you what I did with them. This is my bag. You can like die cut a lot of these and send them to your friends and like do them in multiples of colors, you know, like in Happy Mail. So I have a bunch of these right now ready to go for projects. So I just sat in the front of the TV, watched a movie, and just cut out a bunch of them. And then when I was done, I stamped them out in like different colors. I even have like some light blue ones for different projects. And then I'm going to show you an idea I had on what to do with them when you're done. I even have some blank ones. There's another pack of some that I've just been cutting away. So you can even emboss them in silver, gold, glitter, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to cut out lots and lots of them. And I also have this little heart that, you know, you can cut out in layers. So this is what I did with them. I made these little planter clip flags with the scraps. You can just make a bunch. They're really fun to make. Now I did use a punch to, this is from Hobby Lobby, to layer the little tiny hearts onto like this right here. Let me get the little heart. Like this little heart right here layers perfectly onto the Hobby Lobby punch, and it gives like a little border around the heart like that. So that's what I did for these little planter clip things. If you need a video on this, I'll show you how to make them. But this is what I had an idea on what to do with the scraps. I just use my scraps to make these right here. And I was just playing with them. And I put little flowers on each one. And I mean, people are making these on YouTube with their scraps. I use vellum and stuff like that. So I'm going to demo just how easy it is to cut through 2 layers. So again, I just line them up. This is just a scrap piece of paper or cardstock. Just put that on there. And I put my little plates. Apologize for the shaking. And then just run it through. And again, I've done triple layers too, but I'll just do 2 for now so you can just get an idea of how easy it is to cut through 2 layers at once. Same thing with the hearts. And then you can just stamp a bunch of these and have them ready to go. So as you can see, I have 2 cut out, and these are just from my scraps, and you know, this is something you would just throw away normally. So I hope this video helped you and gave you some ideas on how to get the most out of your paper and make some Happy Mail packages and send them off to your friends. Again, this is the little stamp set that is perfect for these little fishtail banners. I'll link it in the description box below if you want to have fun playing and making these little banner clips. If you need to know the little tiny flower I used for this, it's this set right here. It has all these little flowers on there, and that's what I use. I use these little flowers right here. I love these flowers. So I'll link that as well if you want to pick this up and make them. But again, if you need a video on how these are put together, I can do that. But I just wanted to give you some ideas, okay? So I hope that helped. Take care and have a fabulous day.